In today's short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on Snapchat. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So by default on Snapchat, there is no dark mode option. So what you need to do is to open your phone settings. And here you will see this search settings option. So click on it and type color inversion. Click on color inversion. And now all you have to do is to enable this use color inversion option. And that's it. Once you do that, dark mode on Snapchat will be enabled. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and if you guys have any questions regarding this video, then feel free to contact me on Instagram. I'll put the link somewhere in description below. Also, if you guys like the video, then please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll keep a like aim of 50 likes on this video, so help me achieve that target too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.